Hello viewers, welcome to our Excuse Me Max channel. This is my part 2 video. This is a continuation of part 1 video in which I have started interpolation and extrapolation important university problems. Now we will continue with the next problem in this video. Now coming to the question is from the following table find the number of students who have obtained less than 45 marks between 40 and 45 marks. In this question, they have given marks as between the interval 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and the number of students who have got marks in the given interval. Solution of this problem is, first we prepare the given table as the marks which is less than x. That is, taking 30 to 40 as less than 40 marks, 40 to 50 as less than 50 marks, 50 to 60 as less than 60 marks, 60 to 70 as less than 70 marks, similarly 70 to 80 as less than 80 marks. And the number of students, that is y is equal to f of x, will become first one as it is 31, second one which is less than 50 will become 31 plus 42 is equal to 73, third one which is less than 60 will become, so up to 50 is 73 plus 51 is equal to 124. Similarly fourth one is 124 plus 35 is equal to 159. Likewise fifth one is 159 plus 31 is equal to 190. Our question is, first subdivision, less than 45. That is, to find y is equal to f of 45. Here, since x is equal to 45 lies at the beginning of the table, we use forward interpolation formula. That is, your formula is y is equal to f of 45 is equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus etc., where r is equal to x minus x naught by h. Here x is equal to 45. X naught is your first term in the table, which is equal to 40, and h is the interval of difference between the consecutive x values, that is 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. So after substituting, we get 45 minus 40 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 0.5. So our r is equal to 0.5. Now we construct the forward difference table. Write the x values and y values in their respective columns. Now we have to find del y, del square y, del cube y and del power 4y. First, coming to the del y values, del y naught is equal to y1 minus y naught, that is equal to 42. Del y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is equal to 124 minus 73 is equal to 51. Del y2 is equal to y3 minus y2, that is 159 minus 124 is equal to 35. Del y3 is equal to y4 minus y3 is equal to 190 minus 159 is equal to 31. Next, to find del square y. Del square y is equal to del y1 minus del y0, that is equal to 51 minus 42, that is equal to 9. Del square y1 is equal to del y2 minus del y1 is equal to 35 minus 51 is equal to minus 16. Next, del cube y2 is equal to del y3 minus del y2 is equal to 31 minus 35 is equal to minus 4. Next, to find del cube y. Del cube y0 is equal to del square y1 minus del square y0 is equal to minus 16 minus 9 is equal to minus 25. Del cube y1 is equal to del square y2 minus del square y1, that is equal to minus 4 minus of minus 16, that is equal to 12. Next, to find delta power 4 y. Delta power 4 y0 is equal to delta cube y1 minus delta cube y0, that is equal to 12 minus of minus 25, that is equal to 37. Now to find y is equal to f of x at x is equal to 45 is, you have the Newton's forward interpolation formula. F of 45 is equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 r minus 3 by 4 factorial delta power 4 y naught, where your r is equal to 0.5 and your y naught is 31 and delta y naught is 42, delta square y naught is 9 and delta cube y naught is minus 25 and finally delta power 4 y naught is 37. So after substituting the values, we get f of 45 is equal to 47.86, that is approximately 48 students. Thus the number of students obtaining less than 45 marks is 48. Next, second subdivision, we have to find between 40 and 45 marks. That is, if we subtract f of 45 and f of 40, we will get the marks. Here f of 40 is equal to 31 by given data and f of 45 is equal to 48 by subdivision A. So therefore f of 45 minus f of 40 is equal to 48 minus 31, that is equal to 17. So therefore the number of students scoring marks between 40 and 45 is 17. Next, definition: polynomial. What is polynomial? By the name we define many terms. A polynomial is an algebraic expression consists of variables and coefficients. We can perform the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and also positive integer exponents for polynomial expressions. Example: x square minus 4x plus 7, x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Here in x square minus 4x plus 7, x is a variable, 7 constant, 4 coefficient, 2 is power, x square minus 4x, 7 are terms. Plus minus are arithmetic operations, so performing these operations is said to be polynomial. Next problem: for the following data, calculate the difference and obtain the backward difference interpolation polynomial. Hence find f of 0.35. In this, they have asked to find out interpolation polynomial. So you know what is polynomial, which I have given the definition. Now coming to the solution, here since the question is in backward interpolation, we have our r is equal to x minus xn divided by h. We have our r is equal to x minus xn divided by h, where xn is our last value in the table, which is equal to 0.5, and h is equal to interval of difference between the x values, which is equal to 0.2 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.1. So after substituting these values, our r is equal to x minus xn divided by h, that is equal to x minus xn is 0.5 divided by h is equal to 0.1, that is equal to x minus 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2, the whole divided by 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. So therefore our r is equal to 10 into x minus 1 by 2. This r is equal to 10x minus 10 by 2, which is equal to 10x minus 5. So therefore our r is equal to 10x minus 5. Now we construct the difference table. Write the x values and y values in their respective columns. Now we have to find out del y, del square y and del cube y. First, to find del y. Del y naught is equal to y1 minus y naught, that is equal to 1.56 minus 1.40, which is equal to 0.56. 16. Del y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, which is equal to 1.76 minus 1.56 is equal to 0.20. Next, del y2 is equal to y3 minus y2, that is equal to 2 minus 1.76, that is equal to 0.24. Del y3 is equal to y4 minus y3, that is equal to 2.28 minus 2.0, that is equal to 0.28. Similarly, to find del square y0 is equal to del y1 minus del y0 is equal to 0.20 minus 0.16 is equal to 0.04. Next, del square y1 is equal to del y2 minus del y1 is equal to 0.24 minus 0.20 is equal to 0.04. Similarly, del square y2 is equal to del y3 minus del y2 is equal to 0.28 minus 0.24 is equal to 0.04. Next, to find del cube y. Del cube y0 is equal to del square y1 minus del square y0, that is equal to 0.04 minus 0.04, that is equal to 0. Similarly, del cube y1 is equal to del square y2 minus del square y1 is equal to 0.04 minus 0.04, that is also is equal to 0. Now, our Newton's backward interpolation formula is y is equal to f of x is equal to yn plus r into delta yn plus r into r plus 1 by 2 factorial delta square yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube yn. Here yn is equal to 2.28. Delta yn is equal to 0.28. Delta square yn is equal to 0.04. Similarly, delta cube yn is equal to 0. And we have already found out r is equal to 10x minus 5. Next, by substituting all these values, we get y is equal to f of x is equal to 2.28 plus 10x minus 5 into 0.28 plus 10x minus 5 into 10x minus 4 by 2 into 0.04 plus 0. So, after simplifying the values, we get f of x is equal to 2x square plus x plus 1.28, which is a polynomial and is the solution of the backward difference interpolation polynomial. Now, to find f of 0.35, so f of 0.35 is equal to, by substituting 0.35 in x in 2x square plus x plus 1.28, we get 1.875. So, therefore, f of 0.35 is equal to 1.875, which is the solution of this problem. Hence, we have solved all different types of problems in interpolation and extrapolation. Here I have given some important assignment problems for practice. So, if any problem is to be solved or clarified by any viewer, please share this in comment box. Do share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.